Hello friends. This video demonstrates a simple elastic rib stitch with distinct relief and a light openwork pattern. The scheme consists of 4 stitches and 2 rows. At the end of the video, I will show you how to knit in the round. The pattern includes 2 purl stitches that act as separators between the relief knit columns, which are also made up of 2 stitches each. We will use basic techniques, purling 2 together and knitting 2 together. To begin, cast on a number of stitches that is a multiple of 4, plus 2 for symmetry, and include 2 edge stitches. We will slip the edge stitches at the beginning of the row and knit them at the end. Row 1, right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then purl 2. Knit 2 loops together with a slope to the left. Slip the first as if to knit the second, and pass it through the first. Finally, pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row between the stitches. Repeat, purl 2. Knit 2 loops together, and pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row. At the end of the row, purl 2. Row 2, wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. We will knit similarly to the previous row. Knit 2 divider loops. Purl 2 loops together, and pull up a purl stitch from the bottom row between the stitches. Repeat, knit 2. Purl 2 loops together, and pull up a purl stitch from the bottom row. At the end of the row, knit 2. When knitting in the round, we start with several stitches that are a multiple of 4. All rows are on the right side. There are no symmetry loops or edge loops. Row 1. To start, purl 2. Then, knit 2 loops together with a slope to the left, and pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row between the stitches. Repeat, purl 2, knit 2 loops together, and pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row. Row 2. To start, purl 2. Then, pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row between the stitches and knit 2 loops together with a slope to the right. Repeat, purl 2, pull up a knit stitch from the bottom row between the stitches and knit 2 loops together with a slope to the right. I have introduced you to a new and unique knitting technique that features a distinctive texture, relief, and strong structure. This knit is suitable for clothing and accessories for all seasons, and it can be made with both thin and thick yarn. I highly recommend using this beautiful and easy-to-follow technique to create unique and luxurious garments and accessories with a fine texture and elegant look. As you plan your upcoming projects, I encourage you to consider this technique and give it a try. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Additionally, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so that you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Not Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're seeking something special for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you will adore. Thank you very much for being part of my audience. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.